Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome to my YouTube channel called Gangotri Tech First, where ideas flow and technology grows. This is Vivek Ramesh Prajapati. I come from the city of Pune in Maharashtra. I was born and brought up in the city of Mumbai. I completed my graduation in the field of computer science and I hold a post graduation program in this field of project management from the University of Conestoga in Canada. I have years of experience working in multiple multinational companies. Currently, I'm working as a senior consultant at a big four firm called EY, that is Ernst& Young. The primary motive behind creating this YouTube channel is to equip college going students and working professionals with the knowledge about various emerging different technologies, new programming languages, interview preparation, the kind of questions that are generally asked during the phase of interviews, communication skills, soft skills, and overall personality development. Also, I have realized there is not enough content on YouTube about the technologies, the concepts of tech, which the masses, the people who don't come from the tech background can understand. For example, let's say the people who have studied computer science or information technologies or any other tech program, they can understand the various buzzwords like AI, automation, IoT, machine learning, data science. But the people who have not got chance or opportunity to study this kind of different technologies or coding or programming skills would not obviously would not be able to understand this kind of things. So I would be coming up with the videos in which I will be explaining the different technologies using simple examples so that even the masses can understand. Of course, the primary motive behind the channel is to make tech understand for everyone. Let's say, for example, when in the field of email communication, a sender signs an email and the receiver gets it. All we know is the CC, BCC title that we need to give, the body of the email, and a signature, and your email will be sent to the receiver. But you know what exactly the communication protocol, that is SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, that takes place, how exactly it works, how it behaves, how it functions. And you know that during one email communication, 200 milliliter of water gets consumed. So such kind of things, all the people would not be knowing it. So I'll be coming up with this kind of stuff on YouTube. I'll be regularly posting videos on this channel in both formats, shorts as well as long form videos. So thank you for listening to me till this point of time in my first YouTube channel video, and join me in this journey that I am on, which would be tech oriented. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned. Thank you so much. Have a great day.